What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman back to do another tutorial. This is going to be how I do my setup for water when I do a weekend hike. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, how I do my setup, some beard product reviews, and yeah, check out my other videos. Drop me some comments. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up on this video. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button. It really helps out and it means a lot to me. So let's get into it. This is my setup for when I do weekend section hikes. All right, I like to go hike sections of the AT, sometimes multiple times. So normally for me, it's a 3-day hike, 2 nights. So what I carry with me are 2 platypus, that's just the ones I have, platypus 1-liter collapsible water bottles. Now the reason I like these is if I'm on a section where there's plenty of water and I don't need a whole lot to carry, then I can collapse this up and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. So that's one thing. I transitioned over to the collapsible water bottles a while back and I love them. So this is what I carry. I carry 2 of these if there's a stretch where there's no water. As you can see on my Blood Mountain hikes, I ended up having to load out and fill up everything I had. So these came in handy to have. The rest of my setup I have just in a, I think this is an outdoor product from Walmart, just the little stuff sack, roll top stuff sack. So it just goes down and keeps everything together. So what I have in here, now these I will keep them on the side of my pack. So in the side pockets of my pack. This goes down in my pack or in a front pocket so I can get to it easily. So what I use is the Sawyer Squeeze. Now the reason I like the Sawyer Squeeze is if I was in a pinch and I needed to hook this up, if I needed to fill one of these with dirty water, I could do that and I can hook this to it and I can drink straight from that. So that's what I like about this. When you buy this kit, it actually comes with 3 of these dirty water bags. Now I carry 2 with me. I carried one time before, and in the process of squeezing, I got a busted spot here. So now I carry a backup. So it comes in handy in the event that I go somewhere, just like, again, my Blood Mountain trip, where I got to a point and met up with some folks and they told me that there was no water ahead of me. So I filled both of these up with clean water, filled both of these up with dirty water, and went about my way. So, but these, I really like the Sawyer products. I used to have a Sawyer Mini and transitioned over to the Squeeze just because I liked it and it would give me a little bit more life out of it. So, but basically what you do with this is you unscrew, you fill your dirty water bladder with dirty water. You squeeze it onto here, or you screw it onto here. And then you can actually, straight out of your dirty water bladder, drink. But if you wanted to, you can take it and squeeze it into your clean water bag. So I like this. It's a little bigger, a little bulkier than the Mini, but I like it. So that's what I carry for water. I don't carry the water treatment tablets. I'm not hardcore and I don't drink straight out the mountain. I like to filter my water, and this has actually came in very handy. All right folks, so that is my setup. I use the platypus 1-liter collapsible bottles and I use the Sawyer Squeeze. Now these right now at the time of filming this video are on Amazon for about 10 bucks. Some of them are a little bit less, but the actual platypus brand is on there for 10 or less. The Sawyer Squeeze kit, which comes with the back flushing syringe and 3 dirty water bags, is 40 bucks, right around $40. I think a little less than $40. So what you get with the kit, I mentioned a minute ago, you get 3 dirty water bags. You also get basically a syringe. that you back flush it. You would take this off, you hook it on right here, you put water in that syringe, and you back flush it to clean that filter out backwards so it doesn't contaminate and it doesn't sit in there, bad stuff sit in there and cause you problems down the road. So another thing about these, you do not want to let them freeze. So if you're going on a hike, whether it be an overnighter, a weekend, a week hike, do not, whatever you do, let this freeze. What I normally do is it stays with me in my hammock. That way it doesn't freeze. It'll stay down in my gear, in my hammock with me. I don't leave it in my pack, and because this, if it freezes, you have no water. You can't filter with the filter frozen. So if you have any questions about it, what I've used it for, how I've used it, how I liked it, if I didn't cover something, drop me a comment, let me know. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit subscribe, and check out my other videos. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one, and God bless.